Managing multiple bills can feel like running against the clock. But what if everything was right at your fingertips? Introducing SmartPay by HDFC Bank, your one-stop solution for seamless bill payments, where every bill is automatically taken care of on time. No more hassle, just effortless and automated payments that keep you in control. Setting up SmartPay is quick and easy. Go to MyCards by HDFC Bank and click on the Bill Pay section. With just a few clicks, you're ready to automate your bill payments. Choose from electricity, gas, mobile, broadband, and more. Select your biller's name from the search bar. Then enter the required details such as your consumer number. Now review the biller details and accept the terms and conditions. Next, you can easily authenticate using net banking, your debit card, or even a credit card. Now your biller is all set up and ready for automated payments. With SmartPay, you have the flexibility to enable or disable billers anytime with just a click. At the same time, modifying or deleting the biller details is just as easy. And if you are short on funds during any month, simply use the skip payment feature to pause that month's payment. SmartPay makes bill payments secure, flexible, and always on time. Set it up once and enjoy smooth monthly payments.